Long, long ago, in a kingdom far away, there stood a magnificent castle filled with all the riches and servants any royal family could possibly desire. But within those walls lived a prince, a terribly unhappy prince, with a serious, troubling problem.
Oh me, oh my, oh agony, what a terrible problem I have. I'm a prince wearing fancy clothes, living in a grand castle with servants taking care of my every need. Oh, woe is me, I do not want to be a prince. With all my heart, I want to be a pirate.
What? What is this I hear, my darling boy? Surely I could not have heard you correctly. I thought I heard you say you wanted to be a pirate.
That is correct, Mother. I don't want to wear these fancy clothes, this crown. I prefer a proper pirate's hat or a bandana, an eye patch, a hook, a peg leg, and even a parrot on my shoulder.
Oh, I think I shall faint. Somebody call His Majesty the King, my husband. He must come quickly. Our son has gone mad, mad, mad.
Here I am to save the day. I shall save you, my queen. Have we been attacked by invading hordes, dragons, sorcerers, an army of aliens?
No, dear. Something much worse. Our son, the prince, wants to be a pirate.
What? Son? Have you gone completely mad? Would you look, why would a handsome, wealthy, spoiled young prince want to be a dirty, smelly, thoroughly unattractive pirate? How could you even contemplate leaving our enormous, beautiful castle? But I don't want to live in an enormous, beautiful castle. I want to live on a pirate ship, sailing the seven seas, climbing the rig, swabbing the deck, having adventures, searching for buried treasure on deserted islands. Oh, I have no time for this nonsense. You are a prince, and you're going to stay a prince. You're going to be rich and handsome and elegantly dressed and marry a beautiful princess whether you like it or not. Now I must be off to defend the kingdom. Call my knights in shining armor and lower the drawbridge. My people need me.
Your father, I have no time for this nonsense either. I must go boss around the servants and change dresses 3 or 4 times a day. It's exhausting.
Once the deserted island. Oh, we both got it right.
Now, in this scene, the prince is going to have to learn to talk like a pirate. A real pirate will be trying to teach him, but the prince is going to need your help. Whenever the pirate asks the audience to help out, you say the pirate word or words he's trying to teach. We'll all say it together when the pirate asks us to. We'll have to make it sound very piratey.
You got this.
Oh, at last! I found a real pirate and a real pirate ship. How thrilling! I beg your pardon, Sir Pirate, but I'm wondering if you could assist me in my intense desire to become an authentic pirate, much like yourself, Your Honor. Arg and shiver me timbers! Avast! A landlubber prince who yearns to be a pirate, eh? Now I've heard everything. First he has to learn to talk like a pirate. Then I'll take ye on board me ship, the Leaky Launcher, and get ye some proper pirate clothes. Now repeats after me. Arg! 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 Just blow me down and bury me at sea. That there's the worst arg I've ever heard. Now say it like this. Arg! Tell 'em now, me pirate ladies out there. Arg! Arg! I reckon ye said it right that time. Now you try. Oh, now I think I can say it right. Arg! Fair enough! Now, young princey lad, try this. Shiver me timbers! Well, let's see. Shiver my temper, please. Arg! You scary dog, you filthy rat, you mangy cockroach. You don't sound like a pirate, you sounds like a landlubber. Now say it like myself. It's Shiver Me Timbers! I need all you nerds out there in the audience to help me teach them how to say it right. Here we go! Shiver Me Timbers! Shiver Me Timbers! Alrighty then, me captain. Shiver Me Timbers! Again, only fair enough. Now, me matey, you sound sort of like a pirate instead of a scurvy landlubber. Here's one more test to see if you can join me pirate crew. Say, scallywags own the sea.
Scallywags own the sea.
Now that particular phrase sounds quite a bit more difficult than the last two. Are you quite certain you want me to say that? Aye, ye tempts me to make you walk the plank and sink down ye down to J.B. Jones' locker. Now ye scurvy princey lad, say it, scallywags own the sea.
Scallywags own the sea.
Oh dear me. Well, silly wags of the ocean. Arg, walk the plank!
Arg, walk the plank.
Nay, me ship is docked. I reckon you could swim to shore. One last try. Scallywags own the sea. Come on, me hearties out there in the audience. Say it with me. Scallywags own the sea.
Scallywags own the sea.
Goodness me. I certainly do hope the pirate captain isn't serious about making me walk the plank. I must try harder. Scallywags own the sea. Aye then, me swabby, come on board me ship, the leaky launcher, and we'll find ye some pirate clothes. Arg, and shiver me timbers, captain. Do you suppose I could wear an eye patch and a peg leg, and have a sword and a beard and a mustache and a real Arg, stop ye yapping or I throws ye in the brig. Aye, aye, sir.
But to live and die under the brave black flag I fly. Then play a sanctimonious part with a pirate head and a pirate heart. Away to the cheating world go you, where pirates all are well to do. But I'll be true to the song I sing, and live and die a pirate king. Oh, I am the pirate king. And it is a glorious thing to be a pirate king. I'm a pirate king. And it is a glorious thing to be a pirate king. Hurrah for the pirate king! Hurrah for the pirate!
It's the same one. You're wrong. It's not this.
Oh, Mom, ye swashbuckling buccaneer has returned.
Oh, no, say it isn't true. You cannot possibly be my handsome, clean-cut, elegantly dressed son. You look like a pirate.
Well, thank ye, ma'am. And how do you like me eye patch, me pirate hat and me sword?
Someone quickly, the smelling salts. I think I shall faint. Someone lick them at once. And hurry!
Oh, what? I was right in the middle of a sword fight with a dragon when suddenly voices scream out from the castle. Oh king, your wife the Queensy wants you ASAP. You know how I hate interruptions when I'm busy.
Oh, I'm terribly sorry for the interruption, dear. But look at the woeful calamity that has happened to our dear son, the prince.
Good on! What are you doing to yourself? Take off that silly costume at once and run a comb through your hair! Erg, your majesty, I reckon you don't know I's a pirate now, and no princely landlubber. Me pirate ship, me crew, and me captain are ready to sail the 7 seas in search of our gold and pirate booty and treasure chests. Whatever. At any rate, there's a long line of beautiful young princesses outside the castle now, just waiting to meet our handsome, elegant, sophisticated prince, that which would have been you, and hoping to become your bride. Well, blimey, send the proud beauties in and we'll see for myself if any of them is seaworthy enough to be me bride. Come along, my dear queen. You can choose which of the lovely young ladies should come to meet the prince. I must return to the sword fighting and the dragons and delve my head into a tub of aspirin.
And now, entering the royal ballroom, Her Royal Highness, Princess Sophia Maria von Smorfendorf of the Kingdom of Dorfensmorfs.
There's a king in it.
Oh, Prince, your Royal Highness! Ah! A pirate! I thought you were supposed to be a prince! Where are your princely clothes? Where is your crown? Oh, never mind, never mind. After we are married, I will see to it that you dress properly in fine silks and satins and wear fine jeweled rings and costly gems in your crown. As you can see, I am a beautiful princess, the most beautiful princess in all the land, and the perfect wife for you.
Hi, and how are ye at swabbing the decks?
Decks? Oh, you mean a deck of cards? I love to play cards and spend hours every day practicing and drinking tea.
Ah! Next!
What? Dismissed by a parrot? I have never been so insulted in my life.
And now, entering the royal ballroom, Her Royal Highness Princess Christina Regina Lowenkowski of the Kingdom of Brooklyn, New York.
What? No, that is so funny. That is so weird. It's
I, a pirate. Where's the prince? What have you done with him? I demand to see him immediately.
Avast, ye scurvy landlubber. I am the prince myself.
Oh my goodness, silly me. I beg your pardon, your majesty. You are truly the most handsomest prince in all the land. Except for the eye patch, the pirate hat, and the dirty shirt and pants, of course. But don't worry. When I'm your bride, I'll see to it that you dress in the finest silks and satins and wear the shiniest crown, take daily baths, have your hair neatened.
Timber me timbers, woman. How's your skill at climbing the rigging?
Climbing the rigging? Oh, you must be climbing into the rig or carriage. Oh, I always have a footman to assist me as I daintily and gracefully step up into the carriage. I must always take care not to dirty my lovely slippers.
Not worth your time. Just want your money for makeup. Next!
Next? What do you mean next? I'm more beautiful than any of the other princess candidates, and I can sew and embroider lovely princely clothes for you.
When the parrot says next, be off with you before I makes you walk the plank.
What, the plague? Aye!
And now, entering the royal ballroom,
I'm ready.
Her Royal Highness Princess Gargalin Finley Fish Patrick of the Kingdom beneath the sea.
Oh, a pirate prince, the perfect husband for me. A lovely mermaid. Oh, my prince, my prince. I have dreamed about you every night in my kingdom beneath the sea. And I sit on a rock and sing about you every day. I can't help falling in love with you.
You killed my parrot. Get out.
But I'm
Now.
Kill my
I've
parrot.
taken lessons
Get
for
out
years, and I even know how to play the ukulele.
On my ship, my crew plays the harmonica and sings your sea shanties. Now get out before I run you through.
And now, entering the royal ballroom, Her Royal Highness Princess Long Jane Silversmith of the Kingdom of the Caribbean.
Arg and shiver me timbers. Now that's what I'm talking about, your grace. I see you knows how to dress. Myself, I talks like a pirate, walks like a pirate, and dresses like a pirate. Ye should choose me to be your pirate bride, not them scallywag, scurvy dog princesses out there.
Me proud beauty, ye has the looks I'm after, but can ye swab the deck and climb the rigging?
You're looking at the best deck swabber on the 7 seas. I climbs the rigging faster than a rat abandoning a sinking ship. I sits in the crow's nest and looks out on enemy ships and with me telescope.
You're the proud beauty of me dreams, the perfect match for myself. Will ye marry me and be me pirate wife?
Aye, aye, me pirate prince, me perfect pirate husband.
Then let us make our escape to our pirate ship, the Leaky Launcher, where the captain can perform the wedding for us.
It's done. It's done. No, why did you have to end with that? That's
Do you want to tell the audience which puppet you operated?
Right. So, I was the prince who later turned pirate. I was the original pirate, and I was also the king. And the now deceased parrot. Alive, buddy.
And Arwen, who were you?
I was the princesses and the queen.
All the princesses.
Yeah, I was all
4
the princesses.
and the queen. And they had a different voice for every character they did. Well, let's give them another one.